Making pinch pots with Model Magic. So the first thing that you're going to do when you open your Model Magic is just kind of squish your clay just to kind of wake it up a little bit, okay? So a pinch pot starts with a ball. Just make a nice ball. It doesn't have to be perfect. And then you're going to take your thumb and you're going to push down into the center, and then take your hands so it looks kind of like a beak, like you're going to eat it, right? And push against the side gently. I cannot stress this enough. You are going to push gently. Turn with one hand and gently squeeze with the other hand. And you're going to go all the way around and come back where you started. So this is the beginning of your pinch pot. It's not finished yet. The goal of the pinch pot is to have all of your sides, even down here, the same thickness. If you have a thin section and a thick section, they're not going to dry the same way. The thin one will dry faster than the thick one, which could lead to cracks and breaks. So you want to make sure that you are making all of it the same thickness. So it's really important to just feel. I'm not squeezing, I'm feeling. And I can feel that it's really, really thick right here versus right here. So I'm going to pinch gently. I'm not pressing hard. Just that section that's thick. And I'm going to spin as I do it, but I'm only aiming for those spots I can feel that are very, very thick. Now, as I do this, you notice that I have this hand like a cup, and that's going to help keep its shape. Always feeling and only pressing when you feel that you have a super thick spot. A good thickness to aim for is about the thickness of a pancake. Once you have it where you like it, and it looks pretty much the same all the way around, then you can work on the bottom. Notice how this bottom is very round, which means that it's not going to sit very nicely. It's going to kind of tip over. So we're just going to take this and press it gently on the bottom of the table here, or the top of the table, okay? So that I have a nice flat bottom on my pinch pot. And that's it. It's just that easy.